हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने YouTube चैनल एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन हब पर। आज हम आपके लिए इस वीडियो में मंथली करंट अफेयर्स अप्रैल 2022 से के लिए कुछ सेलेक्टेड और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में लेकर आए हैं। बाकी के प्रीवियस मंथ आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर भी देख सकते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप किसी भी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेम ऑफ द बायलैटरल नेवल एक्सरसाइज बिटवीन इंडियन नेवी एंड फ्रेंच नेवी। आपको एक्सरसाइज का नाम बताना है एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, वरुणा। ये हमारा 20th एडिशन था जो कंडक्ट हुआ था अरेबियन सी में। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, विच जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लॉन्च्ड इंडिया फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्री बेस्ड डिजिटल कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट एंड रिवार्ड्स प्रोग्राम वॉल्ट। और इसका सही जवाब है बी, HDFC अर्गो। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन री-इलेक्टेड एज द चेयरमैन ऑफ पेमेंट्स काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया PCI फॉर द सेकंड टाइम। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, विश्वास पटेल। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। विच बैंक हैज पार्टनर विद quick.id to implement digital know your customer KYC, video KYC and eKYC for its network across India? And the correct answer is D, Central Bank of India. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Geological Survey of India GSI? And the correct answer is D, Dr. S. Raju. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। What is the theme of the World Autism Awareness Day in 2022? And the correct answer is B, Inclusive Quality Education for All. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which country has been chosen as the sponsor for International Children's Book Day 2022? And the correct answer is D, Canada. And इस साल की जो थीम थी वो थी Stories are wings that help you soar every day. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers? And the correct answer is A, Mahesh Verma. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which of the following team has won 2022 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup? And the correct answer is A, Australia. किसको हराया था? इंग्लैंड को 71 रन से। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, who among the following has won the 2022 Miami Open tennis title? And the correct answer is D, ईगा स्वातिक। इन्होंने हराया किसको था? जापान की नायोमी ओसाका को। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। विकास कुमार took charge as new managing director of, and the correct answer is D, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following has been appointed to high level expert group on net zero emission commitments of non-state entities? And the correct answer is A, अरुणाभा घोष। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, who is the author of the new book Crunch Time, नरेंद्र मोदी's national security crisis? And the correct answer is B, श्रीराम चौलिया। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। The fourth edition of India Boat and Marine Show IBMS was held at Bolgate Palace in, and the correct answer is D, Kerala। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, who has been appointed as the first special rapporteur for human rights and climate change by UN? And the correct answer is D, Dr. Ian Fry। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Hungarian Prime Minister Dash won a fourth successive term in office by a landslide victory in the country's general election for 2022. And the correct answer is B, Viktor Orban। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which album has received Album of the Year award at 64th Grammy Awards 2022? And the correct answer is B. We Are. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has won the men's single title of Miami Open Tennis 2022? And the correct answer is D. Carlos Alcaraz. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है who has authored a new novel titled Queen of Fire which focuses on the story of Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. And the correct answer is C. Devika Rangachari. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which of the following company has acquired the conference room products maker Poly aiming to become a complete hybrid work? And the correct answer is A. HP. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which album has received Record of the Year award at 64th Grammy Awards 2022? And the correct answer is C. Leave the Door Open. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Ministry of Environment has released a mascot and various initiatives for plastic waste management PWM. What is the name of the mascot? And the correct answer is C. Prakriti. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है which bank has signed MOU with the Border Security Force BSF under the Central Armed Police Salary Package scheme? And the correct answer is D. State Bank of India. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been named as the new Foreign Secretary of India to succeeded incumbent Harshvardhan Shringla? And the correct answer is B. विनय मोहन क्वात्रा. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who is the author of the book बिरसा मुंडा? जैन जतिया नायक. And the correct answer is D. प्रोफेसर आलोक चक्रवाल. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. A book on Rani Lakshmibai titled Queen of Fire has been written by which author? And the correct answer is B. देविका रंगाचारी. ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा रिपीट हो गया दोस्तों, कोई बात नहीं. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है नेम द जर्नलिस्ट फ्रॉम मुंबई who has been awarded with the Chameli Devi Jain Award for an outstanding woman media person 2021. And the correct answer is D. Arifa Johari. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. What is the theme of the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace 2022? And the correct answer is D. Securing a sustainable and peaceful future for all, the contribution of sports. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है who among the following has topped the Hurun richest self-made woman in the world 2022? And the correct answer is B. Wu Yajain. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of DCB Bank? And the correct answer is D. Murli M. Natarajan. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है what is the theme for World Health Day 2022? And the correct answer is D. Our planet, our health. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. अगला सवाल है Alexander Vucic has been re-elected as the president of which of the following country? And the correct answer is A. Serbia. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has topped the Forbes Billionaires 2022 list around the world? And the correct answer is C. Elon Musk. इन्होंने अभी हाल ही में ट्विटर को भी खरीदा है. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. मुकेश अंबानी ranked at the dash position on the Forbes Billionaires 2022 list. And the correct answer is D. 10th position पर. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Dash the chairperson of the Jindal Group is the richest woman in India according to the Forbes Billionaires list 2022. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, सावित्री जिंदल। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। विच कंट्री सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च्ड अ न्यू अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन सैटेलाइट GFN 303 on April 7, 2022 from Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center? And the correct answer is D, China। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। नेम द पोएट एंड लिटरेचर who will be awarded the prestigious Saraswati Samman 2021 for his collection of poems। मैं तो यहाँ हूँ। And the correct answer is B, रामदरस मिश्रा। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। With which company GOBP has collaborated to explore the establishment of a comprehensive public EV charging infrastructure in India? And the correct answer is D, TVS Motors। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है who has authored the new book titled Tiger of Dras, Captain Anuj Nair 23 Kargil Hero? And the correct answer is D, both A and B, that is Meena Nair and Himmat Singh Shekhawat। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which of the following bank has implemented the positive pay system PPS being compulsory for check payments worth rupees 10 lakh and above? And the correct answer is D, Punjab National Bank। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। What is the rank of Indian Institute of Technology IIT Bombay in QS World University Rankings by Subject 2022? And the correct answer is D, 65th। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स हैज साइंड MOU with which country to convert civil passenger aircraft to multi mission tanker transport MMTT aircraft? And the correct answer is C, Israel। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। The 9th edition of the Joint Special Forces exercise has been conducted between India and the correct answer is D, Kyrgyzstan। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है A photograph by Canadian photographer Amber Bracken titled Dash has won the 2022 World Press Photo of the Year award। And the correct answer is D, Kamloops Residential School। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है Which of the following novel has become the first Hindi language work of fiction to be shortlisted for the prestigious International Booker Prize? And the correct answer is C, Tomb of Sand। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। The Airport Authority of India has launched an initiative AFSAR to encourage the talent of women, artisans and craftsmen and provide them with the right opportunities. Who is the present chairman of Airports Authority of India? And the correct answer is A, Sanjeev Kumar। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Name the author of the book Not Just a Night Watchman, My Innings with BCCI। And the correct answer is D, Vinod Roy। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। With which company Rolls-Royce has launched Aerospace Engineering and Digital Innovation Center in Bangalore? And the correct answer is D, Infosys। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है How many medals have been won by India at the 2022 Thailand Open International Boxing Tournament? And the correct answer is A, 10। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है Name the Indian duo who paired to win the gold medal in mixed double event of the 2022 WSF World Double Squash Championship at Glasgow। And the correct answer is B, Deepika Pallikal and Saurabh Ghoshal। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। What is the theme of the 2022 World Homeopathy Day? And the correct answer is D, People's Choice for Wellness। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, विच स्टेट्स कांगड़ा टी विल सून गेट अ यूरोपियन कमीशन ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन टैग GI टैग? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, हिमाचल प्रदेश। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which bank's app has won Digital CX Award 2022 for outstanding digital CX SME payments? And the correct answer is A, IndusInd Bank. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC in April 2022? And the correct answer is D, Manoj Soni. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। For which of the following works the veteran Bengali author Amar Mitra has won O. Henry Prize 2022? And the correct answer is B, गांव बुरो। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, डैश रिसेंटली फ्लाइट टेस्टेड पिनाका MK1 enhanced rocket system successfully? And the correct answer is D, both A and B, that is DRDO and HAL. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, Who has won the Formula One 2022 Australian Grand Prix? And the correct answer is B, चार्ल्स लेक्लर्क। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया UIDAI MeetI has signed a memorandum of understanding with Dash for technical collaboration. And the correct answer is D, ISRO. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। शिव कुमार सुब्रमण्यम passed away recently. He was a N dash. And the correct answer is B, actor. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Name the renowned Assamese poet who has won the 56th Gyanpith Award. And the correct answer is D, नीलमणि पोखान। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, who became the first player batter to be retired out in IPL history? And the correct answer is D, R Ashwin. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Dash conduct successfully flight test of anti-tank guided missile Helena in Pokhran. And the correct answer is B, DRDO. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following has been crowned ICC Men's Player of the Month for March 2022? And the correct answer is D, बाबर आजम। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, Who among the following has been crowned ICC Women's Player of the Month for March 2022? And the correct answer is D, रेचल हेनेस। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Name the Indian cities which have been recognized as the 2021 Tree City of the World by FAO. And the correct answer is C, Mumbai and Hyderabad. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which airport has emerged as the world's busiest airport for 2021 as per the survey of Airports Council International World? And the correct answer is D. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है, Which country has become the first country in the world to give legal rights to wild animals? And the correct answer is B, Ecuador. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following will take over as India's G20 chief coordinator? And the correct answer is D, हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। The first खेलो इंडिया नेशनल रैंकिंग वुमेन आर्चरी विल बी हेल्ड इन विच सिटी? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, जमशेदपुर। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been named as the EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2021? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, फाल्गुनी नायर। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which company has collaborated with Microsoft to speed up the digital transformation in the oil and gas industry? And the correct answer is A, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following has been appointed to the ICC Cricket Committee as a member board representative? And the correct answer is B, J Shah। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which of the following country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? And the correct answer is D, Australia। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which team has won the FIH Junior Women's Hockey World Cup 2022 at Potchefstroom, South Africa? And the correct answer is D, Netherlands। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been reappointed as the chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities? And the correct answer is C, इकबाल सिंह लालपुरा। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has won the prestigious Reykjavik Open Chess Tournament in Reykjavik, Iceland? And the correct answer is A, R Prangananda। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following has awarded the International Gandhi Awards for Leprosy 2021? And the correct answer is D, Dr. Bhushan Kumar। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। New Zealand pace bowler Dash has been awarded the Sir Richard Hadley Medal at the New Zealand Cricket Awards. And the correct answer is A, Tim Southee। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has won silver in men's single at the Orleans Master Badminton Tournament 2022 held in Orleans, France? And the correct answer is D, मिथुन मंजुनाथ। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who became the 7th batter overall to reach the 10,000 runs in T20s? And the correct answer is D, रोहित शर्मा। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which of the following country is ready to host the Street Child Cricket World Cup in 2023? And the correct answer is B, India। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। New Zealand speedster Dash won the T20 International Player of the Year in the recently announced New Zealand Cricket Award 2022. And the correct answer is B, Trent Bolt। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। In women category, who won the T20 International Player of the Year in the recently announced New Zealand Cricket Awards 2022? And the correct answer is D, Sophie Devine। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Iron Beam laser missile defense system is world's first energy-based weapon system that uses a laser beam to destroy any airborne object. Which country has developed this system? And the correct answer is A, Israel। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। What is the theme of World Voice Day 2022? And the correct answer is C, Lift Your Voice। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Name the Indian economist and political commentator who has been selected for Malcolm Adhidesh Award 2022. And the correct answer is D, Prabhat Patnaik। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which company has become an official digital payments partner for the Prime Minister's Museum? And the correct answer is D, Paytm। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Top Indian swimmer Sajan Prakash won the men's 200-meter gold medal at the Danish Open in which of the following categories? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, बटरफ्लाई। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे 2022? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, हेरिटेज एंड क्लाइमेट। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Air India Asset Holding AIAHL? And the correct answer is B, Vikram Devdutt। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as ambassador for Karnataka's Brain Health Initiative? And the correct answer is D, Robin Uthappa। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Indian Army's Trishakti Corps has organized an integrated firepower exercise ex Kripan Shakti at Teesta Field Firing Range in, and the correct answer is D, West Bengal। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द न्यू बुक टाइटल द बॉय हु रोट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, अ प्ले फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑन ह्यूमन राइट्स? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, राजेश तलवार। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as the next chief of army staff? And the correct answer is C, मनोज पांडे। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which of the following apex body has appointed Bimal Kothari as its new chairman? And the correct answer is D, India Pulses and Grains Association। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which company has launched world's first crypto bank backed payment card with Mastercard and T-Pocket? And the correct answer is D, Nexo। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Which bank has won global Client Client Model Bank award under the category of payment section transformation for building a best-in-class enterprise payments hub (EPH)? And the correct answer is C, IndusInd Bank। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Name the Indian Grandmaster who has clinched the 48th La Roda International Open Chess Tournament title in Castilla-La Mancha, Spain? And the correct answer is B, दोमाराजू गुकेश। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है वेयर इज इंडिया फर्स्ट पोर्टेबल सोलर रूफटॉप सिस्टम इनॉग्रेटेड? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, राजस्थान। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड विप्रो इंडिया कंट्री हेड? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, सत्या एस वारान। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। अगला सवाल है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग हैज बीन टॉप द हुरुन ग्लोबल हेल्थकेयर रिच लिस्ट 2022? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, डॉक्टर साइरस एस पूनावाला। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। सुप्रीम कोर्ट reconstituted expert committee for Delhi Dehradun corridor project. Who will be the chairperson of the reconstituted committee? And the correct answer is B, चंद्र प्रकाश गोयल। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। The first ever pure green hydrogen plant in India has been unveiled in which state? And the correct answer is B, Assam। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। What is the theme of World Creativity and Innovation Day 2022? And the correct answer is D, collaboration। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who has been appointed as USA Vice President Kamala Harris Defense Advisor? And the correct answer is D, शांति सेठी। चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल। Who among the following has been appointed as the new managing director MD and chief executive officer of Digit Insurance? And the correct answer is D. जसलीन कोहली. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of Military Operations? And the correct answer is A. मेजर कुमार कटियार, मनोज कुमार कटियार. देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been reappointed as Prime Minister of Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast? And the correct answer is A. Patrick Echi. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. What is the theme of Earth Day or International Mother Earth Day 2022? And the correct answer is A. Invest in our planet. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been named as the Asia Africa Consortium Global Peace Ambassador 2022 at the India International Conclave 2022 for promoting peace through education, sports, arts, culture and diplomacy? And the correct answer is D. Babita Singh. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which of the following country test fired world's most powerful nuclear capable intercontinental ballistic missile RS-28 Samrat? And the correct answer is A. Russia. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which of the following organization has conducted multi-day cyber defense exercise known as the Locked Shields exercise in Tallinn, Estonia? And the correct answer is D. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Where was the India's first bus service with tap in, tap out or the fully digital ticketing facility inaugurated recently? And the correct answer is D. Maharashtra. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Prasar Bharati has signed an MOU with which country public broadcaster RTA for collaboration in the field of broadcasting? And the correct answer is D. Argentina. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as the vice chairman of Niti Aayog? And the correct answer is D. Suman Berry. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which of the following countries' president has recently received John F. Kennedy Profile in Courage Award 2022? And the correct answer is C. Ukraine. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Name the F1 race driver who has won Formula One Emilia Romagna Grand Prix 2022 in Italy. And the correct answer is C. Max Verstappen. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who among the following has won his third title in the Serbia Open in 2022? And the correct answer is D. Andrei Rublev. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Mike Kibaki passed away recently. He was the former president of which of the following country? Mike Kibaki. And the correct answer is D. Kenya. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which country will host 21st World Congress of Accountants WCOA 2022? And the correct answer is C. India. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Robert Golub has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? And the correct answer is D. Slovenia. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which village has become the nation's first carbon neutral panchayat fully powered by solar energy? And the correct answer is D. Palli village, Samba district, Jammu. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who among the following has been named the 2022 Laureate Sportsman of the Year? And the correct answer is B. Max Verstappen. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as the next Chief Executive Officer of Aditya Birla Capital? And the correct answer is V. विशाखा मूल्य. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Who has been appointed as new chairperson of National Association of Software and Services Companies, NASSCOM? And the correct answer is D. Krishnan Ramanujan. Ramanujam. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which city has become the first city in India to have vacuum-based sewers? And the correct answer is D. आगरा. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Bruce D. Brois has been appointed as MD and CEO of which of the following company? And the correct answer is B. Future Generali India Life Insurance. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Which of the following constitutional body has been appointed Vijay Sampla as its chairperson? And the correct answer is C. National Commission for Scheduled Caste. चलिए देखते हैं अगला सवाल. Name the winner of the Indian Farmer Leader of the Year award. And the correct answer is D. Cipla Limited. तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. आशा करते हैं कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिए. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. पीडीएफ ई बुक्स के लिए लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है, आप जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अब अगली वीडियो में. तब तक अपनी तैयारी करते रहिए. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.